right now.
Stamattina mi sono alzato, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao.
So beautiful, guys. Like, oh, so beautiful. Like, Villa Carolina. Lemon tree. You can pluck a lemon. Our Airbnb house got some juice. So nice here. The weather is great. I'm so tired. So I forgot to tell you guys, like usual. No, I'm talking about my subscribers, that we are here for Nana's 30th birthday. So we're heading up the Amalfi coast, Positano, Capri, Sorrento, Rome. We're going everywhere. So I'm really excited, and I'm excited to vlog and show you guys this place. I'm just so blessed. I'm so happy that I'm here. And yeah, thank God for travel mercies. Yeah, guys, I'm so excited. So this is my fit for today.
Are you planning on shopping? You need your actual ID or like a picture of your... I thought maybe
And I think it's so cute. We're headed to Positano right now.
do you have your passport with you? No, but
No.
people shop though.
I have a picture of it.
We need our passport.
E ho trovato l'invaso, oh partigiano, portami via, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella.
It's too late to pursue. I bite my tongue, it's a bad habit. I'm mad that it didn't take a step at it. Thought you were too good for me, my dear. Never gave me time to pay, my dear. It's okay for accepting for reasons that I think are sure. Yeah, I wish I knew. I wish I knew you. I wish I knew.
This place is hot, baby.
It's crazy because Amalfi is like very chill and like not.
Like,
It's so hot.
my God.
It's so
My
nice
God.
though. Yeah. I can't wait to get in the water too long.
Native dances and the charming songs, but wait.
What are you saying?
We're getting some gelato. Gelato!
Isn't that the Cadella daughter song?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Gelato! Birthday girl, you pretty birthday girl, you pretty. Found it. You
Calabrese do the mambo like they do the
Limoncello. So bring it. Cheers. Bring it right. We'll practice. All right. Okay. Wait. Don't get it. Don't get it. Okay. In 3, 2, 1. Limoncello. One more. No, I just.
dinner.
Hey, Homer hanging on my neck. The bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Tina Dollar. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish
He's feeling so special that I'm recording him. Wow, look at Nana's
some advice, paisano. Learn how to mambo. If you're gonna be a square, you ain't gonna go nowhere. Mambo Italiano, hey mambo.
Yo. Mambo Italiana, mambo. That song is stuck in my head now.
Hey, Homer hanging on my neck. The bracelet match is a set. My brother name is $10. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respects.
I will say home. Send your smile before it runs out.
I want to talk about
God the first honor and glory.
Amen.
Creating all of us to be able to be here to celebrate Central and her 30 years of glory, abundance, and beauty. We just want to first thank you for allowing all of us to be here and even thinking to invite all of us to be a part of your celebration. To be able to meet each other based off of the connection that we love you, we adore you, and we know that anybody that you call a friend is good people, good energy, and good faith. So we just want to say that we're so proud of you, sis, because in this moment of your 30 years, there's so much pivoting that God has created in your life. And we know that He's bringing you into a space of abundance, growth, exponential growth, financial growth, more love, more showering of all the gifts, honoring your gifts so that you can succeed in the purpose that you have been created for on earth. And say that you look so beautiful in this moment. And we hope that you're enjoying all of the festivities in Italy, Amalfi Coast. Thank you very much. And we just want you to know that this is your year. Okay? We love you and we so much can't wait to spend the rest of this vacation celebrating you. So thank you for that and cheers. Okay, let me get some video. Of this. There we go. Turn around, Sig. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, well, you know I'm crazy over you. If I show me, you got it, girl, you got it. Hey, don't get kicked out. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, back like you wildin'. Happy birthday to you. Watch out.
So, good morning, guys. Positano day 2. We're going on a boat. Everybody's dressed. I'm excited. Who's closing this gate? Oh. If you want me to ginger, give me this. Deodorant? No, I have deodorant. Where'd you get this cover up from? PLT?
Oh, if you watch my...
She said if I watch her outfit of the day videos. The audacity.
PLT.
Really?
This was tall. You know they
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. This was tall because it...
Oh, wow, this is the picture. Go.
One moment that I
Bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block. Cause you know how sticky it get. You know how sticky it get. You know how sticky it get.
Everybody look at my camera and say hi. Say hi. Hi. Oh my gosh. Cha. Ha 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 ha. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. The rocks. Go again.
Oh, then he should just stay. Yeah.
Say hi again, guys. Sorry.
Hey.
Say hi, guys. Brittany.
Hey.
I'm not even there yet. So hot. Like, I don't know if you can see it on me, but it's hot. Like, hot. Look at Helen. Helen, you trying to strip on my stuff? You trying to show a little skin? So hot, guys. You okay? I can't deal. Is it even recording? No. Oh wow, it's recording. Wow, it is.
It is?
Oh, yeah. Oh.
But Kyle's is frozen. Ray. Yeah, I know he's okay. I think he made the
zero taste.
What happened? My man
says zero taste.
It like that.
Oh no, it was just a little bit of color.
I thought this was you.
A new post.
We're currently looking at the menu. Oh, you probably can't see it. It's okay.
Can you please do your reporter accent?
I can never do it. I literally can only do it when it's time to go live.
Are you kidding me? Like, hi, this is Nana too. Reporting live from Capri, Italy. We are now at.
Okay, what part you want to say? No, like what
we are celebrating her birthday here at the Amalfi Coast. And
give me a moment. It's gonna come, guys. Yeah, we'll come back to you when we're eating. I'm gonna give it back to Fix.
I don't know what I ordered, but it looks like raw fish.
The shrimp is raw.
On the thing it said raw. Shrimp is definitely raw. Shrimp is raw, guys.
Oh yeah, it all said raw.
Didn't know that. Had no idea.
Everything was raw except this.
Did they just catch it in the ocean?
They catch it and peel it. Yeah.
Find out next on Dragon Ball Z.
Thank you.
Just to begin.
Okay. It tastes like, yeah. It gives it like a starch. I don't like. Yeah, I'm not gonna eat the tuna. You know. Try it.
You know, tuna girl.
Now everybody knows how breakfast. Shayo.
So nice, guys. Like, guys.
Tell me what you see when you look at me. My problem is not to stop you. Mona Lisa, macho Mona Lisa, macho Mona Lisa, macho Mona Lisa, macho Mona Lisa.
Okay, we're off to dinner now. We're off to dinner. Didn't get to do a full face beat because mans was rushing me. Mans was hot, mans was rushing me. I couldn't do anything, so I look very bare. But here are the girls. Are you getting me? It's not focusing. Hey, let me not trip. But here are the girls. Everybody's in silk tonight. It's a silk night, you get me?
Silk and tank. Which accent?
Are you understanding?
Hey, not Australian.
I'm not sure what accent it is, but it's a mix.
Back to British.
It's a mix of things, and that's okay.
Back to British.
All right. Baby, why you tempting me? Hey, baby, don't worry, keep blessing me. Hey, bless me, baptize me, guy. You can do it, baptize me, guy. No. Y'all, I have a story about the boat. I got seasick and threw up
3 times.
3 times. When did I become seasick? Me that was born on a boat.
You were born on a boat?
I wasn't born on a boat. But you get what I mean. Like, I love the water.
Market left on this side.
Like, I love the water, guys. But yeah, that's a whole story for tomorrow. This is the restaurant for today. Hello, guys.
So she's been waiting to try Coke and lemon. Let's see the reaction.
Oh, wow.
Why am I acting like I don't know how to speak? Okay, they put the actual lemon inside of it.
So now just like the whole one.
Okay.
It's small. I'm trying to remember what's the next? Potato.
Girl.
Shaking all out.
Mozzarella, lemon leaf.
What does it taste like? Coke.
It tastes very lemony. I didn't think it would taste. I can take the other half. But it's good though.
Mix it, actually. You should mix it. Your fork?
It's okay, it's lemon. I'm gonna use a knife.
No, go.
Oh, you didn't want any cherry?
Say it again?
You didn't want any of the fries?
I'm not sure what it is, you know what I'm saying? So.
You didn't like it?
One of these is squash something.
It's not anything crazy.
We're hungry.
Spaghetti, veal scallops, marsala.
Medium well, right?
Pasta with the meatballs? Yes, that's the best. Yes.
Thank you.
Another one?
Pasta with the meatballs?
Thank you.
The meatballs are good. That's the song I'm missing. Thank you. That's the airport song. I'm okay. Like, oddly enough, I'm starting to get really stuffed, so please have as much as you want.
It's an acquired taste. No thanks.
You sure? You want to try some of this time? The spinach and avocado cheese and
Hold on. You want to try mine?
how's that?
We got some lamb, y'all.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. After you deceived me and got pork chops.
I said never mind because she said she wanted to get rid
Wait. But she had already ordered it.
Yeah, but I don't think she heard me say I'm just gonna get it.
Yeah, I didn't hear it. Oh. Go ahead, girl.
It's so good.
So good. So good.
Yeah, when I watch your YouTube.
You're welcome.
Man, I'm such a good vlogger.
Are you?
Because I literally capture everything.
You should be sitting to the side for like 50 minutes. And I'm like, should I get this? Oh yeah, thank you, sorry.
Just let my subscribers know how you really feel, Terry.
You be forgetting.
I feel like...
Y'all, this is Shy.
Thank you.
So shy. The reason why we're here is because the beautiful
It's her birthday.
Thank you. Oh, this is good. Thank you.
All right, y'all.
Anyone got a 10 or 20, 10 and 20?
Oh, Helen, tax collector.
You people, this is the last 20. Yeah, this is the last 20 you have.
This is my last one. I don't see. Thank God, oh, he fixed the door.
That was crazy.
Okay, we'll call you. Yeah.
We're not. I'm tired. What? Good night, ladies. Good morning, girls. We have a breakfast today. So good. Look at this, guys. Thank you so much for breakfast. Thank you. It's so beautiful. Per usual, it's hot outside, but it's okay. I'm about to get my
Did you say you got her
plate.
plate? You got Nana plate?
I'm about to get a plate.
No, we just sent the plate to all of you. Oh, sorry.
Bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao.
Casomai se non mi faccio panino, vengo da mazzetta, mi mangiano un po' di
Smile, smile, smile. It's hot, but just wanted to show you guys that we took this thing here. I don't know what it's called, like a little train cart up Capri, and we are now here. So beautiful. So hot outside. Capri. Capri, baby. Capri, baby. Atro.
I see this selection. I got my. Oh, there you go, Sis J.
Poochie. Poochie. Getting a Poochie scar, and it's so cute. Can I get getting that back?
That's fantastic.
Is it okay? Bags.
Just a scar. Oh, now you get to do that. Would you buy a? Oh, let me do the voice. Would you buy a cake?
I bought a Poochie scar.
Oh,
So cute. I love it. She already packed it up.
love it.
What you buy, Brittany?
Well, looking at all this, I just bought 2 card holders.
Let's see it. Look at the straw bag she got from Prada.
Let's give a new bag. New bag alert.
I love it.
Let me see. Or am I about to open Prada and Poochie?
Yes, please.
Prada and Poochie. Poochie and Prada. So this is number 1.
Love it. Let me just come this way. Love it.
long.
My sis said 2 or nothing.
2 for 1 deal. And then this one. I actually really like this one.
Yeah, that's really nice. Really, really nice.
Yeah, like her magic.
And what else is it giving?
Daddy.
It's giving, you said it's giving hold my bag. Did you get it? Did they hand it to you yet? Did they hand it to you? No. Oh, okay. There you go. Thank you. Yay. Look how it looks here.
Good job. Good job.
Okay.
Good job.
On a weekend day, I swear. There's not a lot of work. Yeah, California.
I bought this ring.
I tried.
So cute.
It's almost free space.
You look so cool. Like, what is up, Mr. Gautier? No, I don't drink it like I'm just kidding. Are you gonna come back? I don't know. Maybe. They're not gonna leave me on Instagram. Catch her on Instagram, Terry New. Terry V New, okay? TerriVnew, guys. Check her out. Great content. I sound like a radio host. Okay.
Love from Capri.
In our pink car. Thank you. Virgin? Thank you.
We don't want
Mine, but this version is giving me a color, which is different between
What is really good, guys? We are back home now and we're gonna start pizza making. Say something. Hi.
Pizza making.
Actually says something.
This is olive oil.
Put it in.
I'm so excited.
You have to put your rake on it.
Oh, okay.
Not everybody's starting up their phone. Oh God.
And nothing that I want as much as I want you. A psychic hit me, told me we got shit to do. We ain't got time like we used to. But we still shine like we used to.
Put the ingredients in. So
Okay.
for yeast, you make the boneless pieces.
Yeast is the brown. Should we break it?
Yeah. Try to make it beautiful.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is yeast.
Oh, so this is yeast?
I love my miss volcano.
Double salad. Okay. Now I'm gonna put some water and then.
Contain my water.
Same. I can't do this with nails on.
Yeah, I'm sure.
That's not focaccia.
Oh my God.
Are we getting these ready for you guys next later? These are yours.
Oh wow.
So it's not gonna be soft.
This is like yours feels like that.
Yeah.
We cut ties when we need to, but I need more of you.
Il fatto che non ha messo il pomodoro e la mozzarella sul bordo di un centimetro come
Okay. You have to put pala, up, like up, pala under, and then try to leave it. Okay, yeah. Around. Okay, well, you put it in the middle.
Ok, fallo tirare fuori.
Okay, bring the pala out.
Yeah. Who's telling on me? I stopped recording Terry on your phone.
Okay.
Okay. No, I have it here.
I have you.
Just push it, just one cup. Okay. I like a lot of.
Girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid. And free bitch slime out the cage. And shorty try to play it cool, but now she wish you would've stayed. Cause every song that I made.
Hi everyone, I'm Giorgia, he's Roberto, and he's the pizzaiolo. And we like to make pizzas and make pizza for you. And also to have an experience, so you can make your pizza yourself.
Where are you located?
We are in Sorrento, in south of Italy.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.